Hello my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my class. I am your arts and craft teacher Kohinoor Akhtar, starting my another class from chapter 3. In my previous class, I had discussed some major folk arts of Bangladesh. Dear students, finishing this class, I would play games with you. So listen to me properly from beginning to end. My second lecture topic was embroidery quilt and terracotta. Today I like to discuss from lesson 3 and 5 from chapter 3. So dear students, do you open your textbook? I wish you did. Now go to page number 22, lesson 4. The title name of this lesson is Some Major Crafts of Bangladesh. Actually, crafts is very usable things in our daily life. Chopper, axe, sponge, sickle, pot, pixer, earthen cask, boat, rickshaw, cart, door, etc. These examples are very usable in our daily life, and we can call handicraft of those usable materials. In these usable handicrafts, artists apply their own designs and subjects like flower, leaves, shapers, bird, fish. Then it's become valuable and attractive. So in this lesson, we will learn about some remarkable handicrafts. So in your textbook, first point is rickshaw. Rickshaw art or auto art is a form of new romanticism emerging in the Indian subcontinent. The art is consists of oil paintings on the rear of the canvas roof of rickshaws, done by local street artists who also paint the various landscape, portrait and personal statements of the driver. New version auto rickshaws became more popular in some cities in the 21st century as an alternative to taxi because of their low cost and higher. So now I like to show you some examples. Actually, rickshaw have 3 wheels, you know that, and rickshaw are decorated beautiful with flowers, leaves, bird with bamboo, plastic and cloths. Sometimes movies actor and actress also subjects of these paintings. Arriving rickshaw, we can able to go school, college, market, bazaar, actually near places. So these are examples of auto rickshaw. Now in present time, this is very popular in our country. So dear students, our next point is boat. Water transportation is an important means of communication in Bangladesh. Traditional country boats are still popular and they provide low-cost convenient transport in these extensive inland waterways. Approximately 150 types of boat still populate the floodplain, and they vary in design, size and construction materials. Now I would like to show you some examples of boat. In your textbook, we can see a picture of various boats. The name of these pictures are Patam, Nayori, Raptani, Bachari, Shampan, Lombapodi, Talen Nao Konda, Khashi, Dingi, Ilsha, Saudagori, Kosha, Goena. Actually, students, আসলে প্রয়োজনের উপর ভিত্তি করেই নৌকাগুলোর শেপ এবং প্যাটার্ন এক একটা এক এক রকম। ধরে নাও যে নৌকাগুলো দিয়ে মাছ ধরা হয় সেগুলো দেখতে একরকম, কারণ সেগুলো সমুদ্রে ভাসবে। আবার যেই নৌকাগুলো মানুষকে এক জায়গা থেকে আরেক জায়গায় পরিবহন হিসেবে কাজ করবে সেগুলো একরকম। আবার তোমার জিনিসপত্র বা মালবাহী যেই নৌকাগুলো আছে, যেমন ট্রলার, শিপ যেটা আমরা বলি, তো সেগুলো কিন্তু আবার প্যাটার্ন শেপ আরেক রকম। So my dear students, hope you are understood what we want to say. Little bit I use here Bangla language. So come to the next point. Go to page number 25, lesson 5. This topic name is wooden fence and bed stand. Bed stand means khat, palonko, whatever it is. So dear students, bed and bed stand made of wood are very ancient handicrafts of our Bangladesh. Dear students, if you visit our National Museum, then you can find here two examples. And there, this is the oldest collection actually. So, তুমি যদি ওখানে দেখতে পাবে যে দুটো খাটই খুবই সুন্দর ডেকোরেশন করা, এবং খাটের নিচের অংশ যদি তুমি খেয়াল করবে, তোমার বইতে এই জিনিসগুলো লেখা আছে, আসলে তোমার পড়লে এখানে বুঝতে পারবে যে সেইগুলো পায়ের নিচে এত সুন্দর ডেকোরেশন করা, এবং সাবজেক্টগুলো হচ্ছে পরি এবং ফুল লতা পাতা, এগুলো এতটাই পুরনো যার জন্য এটা এখন আমাদের ন্যাশনাল মিউজিয়ামে সংরক্ষিত রয়েছে আমাদের এনশিয়ান আর্ট হিসেবে। Now I would like to show you some examples. Those are modern examples actually. Modern khat or palonko, bed stand, whatever you say. So this is the design is sometimes এটা পরিবর্তন হতে হতে আজকে আসলে এরকম খাট বা পালঙ্ক, বেড স্ট্যান্ড আমরা আসলে দেখতে পাই। So our next topic is from page number 25. The next point is adorned door made of wood. It is another ancient art in our country. Generally, local artists are create their own design over the wood, then carving process is became virtuous. So dear students, let's see some example of adorned door. This design fixed over the door and it made by wood. In the next picture, we can see the another adorned door is made by wood. This is the same technique, same example actually. Now you can see one window. This window is made by aluminium. This is very common examples we can find anywhere in our country. So dear students, at the beginning I told you about a games. So let's play the games. The games is I will ask you one questions, and you have to write the question answer below in this video's comment box. So when you write the answer, you must mention your form and shape. No need to write your names, okay? So my question is, in my previous lecture, which chapter and which lesson I discuss with you, okay? So come to the page number 28. Now homework time. Today your homework is question answer writing again. The question is number 6. Write in short about the rickshaw as a popular vehicle and a beautiful piece of handicrafts. Dear students, hope it will be easy for writing because today I discuss about rickshaw. Okay dear students, this is enough for today. So stay at home, wash your hand frequently. Thank you for watching everyone. Okay, Allah Hafiz. See you soon with my next video. Bye bye.